Hello and welcome to the Pizza Kitchen. I'm your host, Brian Hernandez, and I tell you guys what, it's getting late in the week. It's almost quitting time. Let's roll a fat one. Whoa. I meant let's roll a nice Stromboli. I don't know what you guys were thinking of. That's a completely different show. Now this solid Strom recipe comes to us from our good friend Melissa Rickman of Holy Stromboli in Fort Lupton, Colorado. With its simple yet iconic taste, the Staten Island sausage, pepper, and onion boli puts the tastes of New York in a handheld flavor rocket that you could take on the go or eat in the restaurant. So enough jibber jabber, let the boli begin. For this recipe, you're gonna need an 8-ounce dough ball, crumbled Italian sausage, yellow onion thinly sliced, green pepper thinly sliced, slices of smoked provolone cheese. Heat 2 saute pans to a medium-high heat and add a small amount of olive oil to each. Add your Italian sausage to one and begin to brown while crumbling it as fine as possible. Add your veggies to the second pan, and once they start to caramelize, add your browned crumbled sausage. Saute the mixture until the veggies caramelize fully. Roll out your dough ball to an 11x6 oval and place the provolone cheese directly on the dough. Once your filling is sauteed to perfection, place it on top of your cheese slices, leaving about a 1/2 inch clean edge at the top of the dough to create a clean seal. Roll the Stromboli tight, making sure to keep your filling inside and rolled under the dough. Now gently tuck the ends of the dough when fully rolled and make sure the seal is on the bottom of the Stromboli. Place your Stromboli on a non-stick pan and cook it at about 550 degrees for about 8 minutes. Well, there it is, guys, the Staten Island sausage, pepper, and onion Stromboli. It's an easy recipe that can be done in either your homes or your restaurants. Now that it's cut open, let's see what it's made of. That's delicious, guys. There's a lot of savory from that sweet Italian sausage. We put a little salt and pepper in there. It's thin enough to where it's cooked all the way through, all the way with inside the actual Stromboli as well. We have that nice char on the cook on the outside. So the only thing is that you can also offer it with some kind of sauce. Purists don't put sauce inside it. Always put it on the side is what I've heard. So we'll give it one more time with this. We have a garlic aioli here, so let's see what they taste like there. It's even better. That's all the time we have in the kitchen today, guys. I'd like to thank Melissa Rickman of Holy Stromboli for this delicious recipe. You can find out more about Melissa in the Chef's Corner in the November issue of PMQ. I'll see you all next time in the Pizza Kitchen, but until then, keep those ovens lit.